Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making your trained model immediately usable. Save a reproducible artifact such as PKL, JobLib, or PT. Once done, create a virtual environment and pin package versions to avoid later conflicts. That prevents "it works on my machine" surprises. Make sure you install Streamlit Plus core libs like Pandas and Scikit-learn, and verify the model loads with a simple Python REPL. This gives you a stable foundation to build the Streamlit app on top of. Next, implement the app interface and logic. Define inputs in Scent sidebar or a form to keep the UI tidy, and validate them before prediction. Load your model a single time using Scent cache resource or a singleton function to avoid reloads and speed responses. Then perform the exact preprocessing pipeline you used during training, scaling, encoding, feature order, and call model. Predict or predict proba. Make sure to wrap prediction in try/except and show friendly messages if inputs are invalid. Finally, deploy by containerizing the app with a lightweight Docker file, exposing port 8501, and running Streamlit run in CMD or push to Streamlit Cloud with requirements. TXT or Conda. YAML. Once live, monitor startup logs and latency, scale replicas, or add a reverse proxy if needed. If something goes wrong, inspect logs for version mismatches, missing assets, or API timeouts. Make sure the model file path and environment variables match production. Restart the container after fixes to validate the resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.